Hi, Sabrina Phillips here with Designing Women of Orange County. I'm out here in California, and I am going to show you how to take care of your granite. Now, granite, you will find out with me, is not my favorite top to use in a kitchen or anywhere actually. This wasn't chosen by me, but was here already in this home. So anyway, a couple of different things about granite. Even if it's sealed with the proper sealer and you set something wet on here, it is going to leave a mark for a period of time until the wetness dries up and pulls back out of the stone. And it doesn't seem to matter, like I said, whether it is sealed or not sealed. One of the other fun tricks I have found out and learned about granite is that if you set anything that has oil, like say on this one, corn chips in a brown paper bag were set on here, and then we got this kind of a mark right here. If you'll come up and look at that video there, we got this kind of mark right here. Now, this I think actually is a water spot. I don't know, it could be the oil from another thing. But this baking soda, piling it on here, actually, is what draws up the oil. You can put it on thicker than that if you want to, but it draws the oil up. So that's a, that's one thing that might happen if you have granite. You see water spots, they're going to be there until they dry up. Here's a water spot here right by the sink, of course, right by the faucet. That is it's going to dry up, but it's going to take a little bit of time now, because any water that comes back here and stays on here will stay on, it will soak into your countertop. The other thing is if you have something constantly sitting up here like this, or your sponge or anything like that, it can actually eat away at your granite and make it very choppy feeling, like just the gritty feeling. It can actually begin to crumble. So you want to be really careful about using granite in your kitchen or bathrooms where there's water or evidently oil. The other thing is you're going to want to seal this. Now they say about every 6 months. You can seal it as often as you want to. This is the sealer that they recommend that you use, 511 Impregnator Sealer. I think you can get this at Home Depot or Amazon or something like that. The first thing you'll do is you actually use the 511 Clean and Reseal. So you use this first, spray it on, wipe it off with a sponge that's like this, really great, very absorbative sponge. And then you're going to come right back through and you're going to put the sealer on there. And so this is what happened today. This is why you see nothing on this countertop today, is it got resealed today. Now you can go back to using your granite counters after an hour, but it does state on there, if you can wait 24 to 72 hours, most people can't wait that long, but if you can wait 24 hours, it's even better. So, and you do want to use your baking soda on any kind of an oil spot, or maybe even a water spot, and see if it helps pull it up a lot faster. So I hope this has helped you in taking care of your granite, or if you know of somebody, please like, share, and follow us here on YouTube or whatever channel you may be finding us through. We really appreciate you watching, and we hope this helped. Thanks so much.